Copy, we're around.
You got to be able to get to a scene way quicker than we've got an emergency going on. And this aviation unit, it's critical to our citizens.
Whenever we launch, we have two roles inside the helicopter. You have your police pilot. Their main role is to fly the helicopter, and the tactical flight officer, their role would be to essentially be the cop in the air. So as a tactical flight officer, my role is to coordinate with the ground troops, give them information, provide them with knowledge, so that way they can make the best decision. With this Bell 505, I can see what officers cannot. Keep them safe.
We're going out there, we're gonna put the helicopter in a situation, we're gonna do it safely and effectively to give the best outcome to the officer or the firefighter on the ground. Oftentimes, we have to be fluid and prepared. We did a warrant operation for ag assault suspect that shot up a vehicle. We coordinated with our SWAT team. The helicopter at that point, we're gonna help get the containment set up. It's kind of a show of force. We put the helicopter in a low orbit over the house. You can hear the rotor noise. You can hear the helicopter. They see the police officers, they see the SWAT operators. Everybody comes out of the house, we call everybody out, our suspect's taken into custody, and then we go about a normal day of operations.
It's helped with our rates of apprehension on people that are inside perimeters that have tried to run from officers. It's also helped with preservation of life.
Having the eyes on the sky and directing the troops on the ground to be able to make the arrest as safe as possible, taking the suspect into consideration and everybody else, citizens and officers, it's super helpful.
The bulk of what our police and fire helicopter does is support patrol, but we still like to have the fire component for fire and search and rescue.
In selecting this aircraft, we needed something that would not only support our police, but also fire. The city of Peoria is 180 square miles, and some mountainous areas in the north. We've got a lake that is inside of our boundaries. Now with this 505, we can get our fire personnel and take them and get them out to the scene way quicker than we could have before.
The Bell 505 was the right aircraft for us. And I think it's really important that this is not a police helicopter. It says police and fire. It is a joint operation to support all public safety and all first responders.
We are the first agency in the West Valley to have an air unit. Surrounding us, we have cities of Surprise, Glendale, Goodyear, El Mirage, Buckeye. And we've actually equipped our 505 with police radios for all those agencies. So essentially when we launch, we can actually go fly over a neighboring agency. We can listen to their calls, we can listen to see if they need help, and we can help respond. We've had those calls. We know that this guy or girl, this suspect has seriously victimized somebody, and I want to be able to get that guy off the street so he doesn't victimize somebody else. And when I'm able to find that person, that's a huge win. I feel I have been more effective as a cop in this helicopter in the last 9 months than I have the last 15 years of my career, because I've had so many finds and wins with a helicopter.
Everybody on my team shares that same love and support for what we do and believes in the mission that we have here for the air support unit to go out there and to help the public and to help the officers and firefighters on the ground.